Good day and welcome back to my channel. Let's make this beautiful sunflower. So for that you will need some yarn and wool, preferably in the colors of a sunflower, and an appropriate size crochet hook and a darning needle. This is an extremely simple pattern to work up. Let me just move that here for now. You will start this pattern by making a magic ring. Into this magic ring, chain 1 and secure. Now make 6 half a double crochets into your magic circle. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops, why am I going 7? I said 6. 6, 3, let's make sure, 2, 4, 6. 6 half a double crochets. And pull your tail to close. Slip stitch into the very first stitch. Now chain 1. You don't necessarily have to chain 1. It's just kind of easier to make a half a double crochet after you chain 1. Now make a half a double crochet, 2 half a double crochets in the same stitch. And now you're going to work 2 half a double crochets in each stitch right across your row. And I really hope that you can see the color, see this because of the color that I'm using. I'm not sure how it will look on camera. So there's the next 2. So I've made 8 in total. Another 2, 10, another 2 in the next stitch. That's 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. And please slip stitch into the first stitch that you made. You're going to chain 1 and you're going to cut your yarn. This is the center of your sunflower. Now for the leaves of your sunflower. This color is actually called sunflower. You're going to make a slip stitch. Attach your yarn any way you want to, completely your choice. Once you've attached your yarn, chain 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to make a half a double crochet into the third chain from your hook. Now make a half a double crochet in the rest of your chain stitches, which will be 5. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slip stitch into the same space that you started. This is petal number 1. Now we're going to repeat that. Again, chain 8. Half a double crochet into the third chain from your hook. 1 and a half a double crochet in the rest of your chain stitches. Again, slip stitch into the very same stitch. Or should I say, the next stitch. You want it to be continuous. So slip stitch into this next stitch, chain 8, again, half a double crochet into the third chain, and a half a double crochet in each of the next 5 chain, single crochet, slip stitch into the next stitch. Continue to work in this manner until you get to the end of this row. When you get to the end of your row, you will slip stitch into the first stitch. I've done each of my leaves, or should I say petals, each of my petals, and I've chained, and when I came to the end, the only thing I did was slip stitch into the next stitch, and that's it. This is the most simplest sunflower that I have ever made. It's perfect as an applique motif. Maybe I'll turn it into a bookmark. Thank you so much for watching. This is the Queen Phoenix saying enjoy crocheting and have a wonderful day.